Right. Today's topic: carboxylic acid derivatives, acid halide, anhydride of the hydrolysis, ammonolysis. Next, the derivative is the ester of that hydrolysis by the base and acid, hydrolysis and dehydration of the amide. Amide, ester, acid halide, anhydride. 1, 2, 3, 4. These four the carboxylic acids derivatives. They involved in the hydrolysis, ammonolysis, in the basic condition someone, acidic condition someone, and next one they involved in the dehydration of the this one amide. Right now today, now first of all I will go to the hydrolysis of hydrolysis of acid halide. Which one? Hydrolysis hydrolysis of acid halide. Acid halide. So I take the example. That example is the, for example, I take the CH3 C double bond O Cl. This is the acetyl chloride. What is that? Acetyl chloride. Now this chloride, acetyl chloride, it is in participate in the hydrolysis. When it is hydrolysis of acid chloride, so means we are adding of water to the acid chloride. So for example, these bond electrons are shifting to the oxygen side, carbon getting positive. So that acid in the water, so water, the oxygen contain lone pair of electron. These lone pair of electrons, oxygen give the lone pair of electron to the this positive of the carbon. So finally now it is here formation CH3 O minus. Now here is a Cl. Now here is a H2O, like formation this like. Now oxygen getting positive. So these electrons are shifting to the oxygen side. Now these electrons are, when it is come to the inside, chlorine is eliminated. From here is the H plus, from here is the chlorine. Finally here elimination of HCl minus HCl. So finally what will we get? We get CH3, C double bond O. Here HCl minus, here is H plus. Remain C double bond O, COH. This is the COH. This is the carboxylic acid. This is the acetic acid. So when acid chlorides are undergoes hydrolysis to form the carboxylic acid. Clear? So this is a carboxylic acids formation from the hydrolysis of the acid chloride. Right. Next one, ammonolysis. Next one, ammonolysis. Ammonolysis of acid halide. Same. So I will take the acetyl chloride. This is the acetyl chloride. Ammonolysis means we are adding the ammonia. So here I am adding of ammonia, right? Here is ammonia. Now look at here. These electrons shifting to the oxygen side, the carbon positive. Now nitrogen consists lone pair of electron. Now the nitrogen atom give the lone pair of electron to the positive of the carbon. So forming like this. So look at, here is the form CH3 CO minus. Here is the NH3. I write the separately of hydrogen, right? Here nitrogen getting positive due to that nitrogen atom give an electron to the positive of the carbon. So remain, here is the chlorine. Look at here. Now here is the nitrogen is a place. So for example, these hydrogen give an electron to the nitrogen. Once these electron come to the inside, now chlorine is eliminate. Right. This is totally in the reaction with the ammonia now. In that ammonia will be there. So from in that ammonia, here is a, for example, this H plus ion, removal of this H plus ion combined with the another mole of ammonia. Now their formation of NH4, here releasing of that chlorine bonding there. So here is the ammonium chloride. Remains what it is here? CH3, C double bond O, this C double bond O, and remaining NH2. This is a NH2. So when acid chlorides are ammonolysis, now it's giving the amides. What it is give? Amides are it is give. So this is the hydrolysis and ammonolysis of the which one? Acid halides. So acid halides when hydrolysis to give the carboxylic acid, when acid halides ammonolysis to give the amides. So that name is the acetamide. This name is acetamide. So finally we understood. So this is the reactions of the uh, derivatives of the carboxyl. That derivative is the acid halide. When acid halide involved in the hydrolysis, given acetic acid. When it is the ammonolysis to giving amide. So this is the reaction. Write down. Right. Next one topic is hydrolysis of anhydride. So here adding of water molecule to the anhydride. Next one, ammonolysis of anhydride. So we are adding of ammonia or primary amine or secondary amine. Okay. So we are adding of amine with the anhydride. Here adding of water molecule to the anhydride. So let us go. First of all, look at here. When amides are hydrolysis, this when amides are hydrolysis. So first of all, anhydride, no, sorry, not amide, anhydride. CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, Cl, CH3. This is the acetic anhydride. When acetic anhydride on hydrolysis, when you are adding of water molecule to that, now look at here. Here formation of carboxylic acids. What will we get here? 2 moles of carboxylic acid we get from that hydrolysis. So how we get? Look at here. Now I go to the mechanism. See, first of all, I write the acetic anhydride. This is the acetic anhydride. Okay, clear. C double bond O. Okay, CH3. In between these two CH3 oxygen there. Right. I'm adding of water molecule to that as oxygen. They consist lone pair of electron too. Right now here, these lone pair of electron, for example, this electron shifting to oxygen side. Now these two electron coming to the carbon. So finally what it is forming here, look at, now see, CH3, C double bond O, right, O, CO minus, and next one, CH3, here oxygen, I am writing separately one hydrogen, here plus oxygen. Okay, clear? Now here these electrons shifting to the oxygen side. So here remove H plus ion, right? Once these electrons shifting to inside, this one going to the outside. So this O minus, this H plus, CH3COO minus this H plus forming CH3 C double bond O OH. When acetic acid is removed there, and once again look at here to see another mole of acetic acid remove here, CH3 C double bond O OH. CH3 C double bond O OH. So we get 2 moles of carboxylic acid when on hydrolysis of acetic anhydride or whatever that anhydride. When involved in the hydrolysis, we get the carboxylic acid. Clear? Right. Now next one. Yeah. Ammonolysis of anhydride. So the second one, this one. So see here, I'm take the anhydride. For example, this is the acetic anhydride. Yes, this is the acetic anhydride. When going to on homonolysis, means we are adding of ammonia, right? When you are adding of ammonia to that, we get the amide, amide, and also ammonium carboxylate ion. We get ammonium carboxylate ion. So when you going on homonolysis of this acetic anhydride, whatever that anhydride, when on homonolysis, the formation of amide, this is the acetamide. This is the acetamide. So on homonolysis, now anhydrates are giving acetamide, which giving that one acetamide is given by the anhydrates. So how it is giving? I go to the mechanism. Look at here. Right, I'm take the, this is the CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. This is the acetic anhydride. I'm adding ammonia. Right, we know that already that nitrogen consists lone pair of electron. For example, these electrons shifting to oxygen side. Here carbon getting positive. So here bonding with the carbon of that ammonia. Right, remain what is there here? The CH3, C double bond O. After that, adding of ammonia, C, CO minus. Here is the, I'm writing it is the CH3. Right. Next one here is the, I'm writing the NH2. I'm writing one hydrogen separately. N is getting positive because why? Because the nitrogen atom given lone pair of electron to the positive of the carbon. So in between the nitrogen and hydrogen bond, these electrons shifting to the nitrogen side. Once these electrons coming to the inside, now these electrons shifting to the oxygen side. So finally look at here. Here removal CH3CO O minus, and here is the H plus. Here from the H plus, and in that ammonia is there. Yes or no? Ammonia also there. So that ammonia bonding with the H plus, formation of NH4. This is NH4. Right. Finally, CH3COO minus this H plus and this one NH3 bonding that one. What is formation? CH3 C double bond O minus NH4 plus. This is the, what is that name? What is that name? Ammonium carboxylate. Right. This is the second component. That first component, what we get from that ammonolysis of anhydride as acetamide, means amides are we get from the anhydride when on ammonolysis. So look at there, CH3 C double bond O NH2. So I write here CH3 C double bond O NH2. NH2. This is the amide. That name is already written there, amide. So finally we get here in this ammonolysis of anhydride. So when you are adding of ammonia into the anhydride, we get the amides only. Okay, clear? This is the ammonolysis of anhydride. This is the ammonolysis of anhydride. Finally, when on ammonolysis of anhydride to give amides and ammonium carboxylate ion, salt that one. So this is the reaction of and mechanism of anhydride. Okay, write down. Right. Next one topic is the hydrolysis of ester. This is ester is also derivative of the carboxylic acid. From the carboxylic acid, in that chemical properties, we getting that esters. When carboxylic acid react with the acetyl chloride, when acetyl chloride react with the carboxylic acid, we getting esters. So that is a derivative of ester. Now here, that ester involved in the acidic hydrolysis and involved in the base hydrolysis. So hydrolysis we know already. adding of water molecule. But in which condition here? In the condition of acid. Here hydrolysis in the condition of base. So two types are there: acidic condition and base condition. They are going to the hydrolysis of ester. Right now here, this is a very important for the exam purpose and with mechanism also. Right now I go to the first of all hydrolysis of ester in acidic condition. First of all, look at, I write the common reaction. Ester, C double bond O, CH3. This is the ester. Now in that, this is the reversible process of reaction. Here, right, I am adding of water molecule in the condition of acidic condition. That's why I'm writing H plus. Here we get the carboxylic acid, C double bond OH plus alcohol. So when alcohol and carboxylic acid combine together, we get ester. So alcohol and carboxylic acid, that's why I'm written reversible reaction. Are you understood? Okay. Now this is the reaction, common reaction of hydrolysis of acid hydrolysis of ester. I go for the mechanism, how it is formed. Look at here, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Now here is the oxygen contain lone pair of electron. Now here it is in the acidic condition. Yes or no? Yes, acidic condition. Now it's taken by the oxygen. That H plus again taken by the oxygen. Right, C double bond O, H. Here is the positive. S. Now remain O, CH3. Right. Now once again, look at here. These electrons shifting to the oxygen side. Now carbon getting positive. In that water molecule also there. First it is react with the acid, then it is react with the water. Means in that water mixing of acid and water. First you take the H plus ion. Right now these lone pair of electron bonding with the carbon. Right, CH3, C here OH, that is OH. This one is the OH. I am write the separate of bonds. Right, clear. Okay. Now what is there here? Bonding with the water molecule, bonding with the carbon now. Yes, bonding with the carbon. Right, here is the oxygen. I am write the separate one hydrogen. Oxygen getting here is a positive. So now it's give the electron to the oxygen. Now here from water molecule, when it is water molecule bonding with the carbon, now this H plus ion removed. Here H plus ion removed. Now remains what is there here? CH3, C double COH and O, CH3. Here is also OH is there. Right now what is going after formation of this, like look at here, these bond electron shifting to the inside. Now this bond electron shifting to that side. So finally what will be formation here? Here CH3O, here is H plus removed there. Already it is eliminated there in that reaction. That H plus minus this H plus, this CH3O are okay. This CH3O and this H plus, no problem. CH3O, this H plus. What it is formation? First of all, CH3OH, that is alcohol. This one CH3OH plus. Remaining what is there here? CH3. This one C double bond OH. So this is the alcohol. Now this is the carboxylic acid. Right. So finally, when in the acidic condition, when it is the acidic condition, esters becomes to the carboxylic acid and alcohol. It's forming carboxylic acid and alcohol. So this is the reaction and mechanism of acid hydrolysis. Okay, write down. Look at here, these all the reactions are reversible reactions. So means reversible reaction means when carboxylic acid and alcohol when combined together, formation of again esters. So that's why I written all that this may have made all these one reactions are reversible reactions. This is a reversible. Alcohols, a carboxylic acid when combined together to formation of ester. Okay, clear? Right. Next one is the basic hydrolysis of esters. So means in the condition of basic condition, no esters involved in the hydrolysis. Look at here. I'm take the ester. This is the ester C double bond O CH3. This is the ester. It's going hydrolysis in the presence of base. When it is going on hydrolysis in the condition of base, it's give the carboxylate ion CO double CH3 C double bond O minus and alcohol. It is give the carboxylate ion and alcohol in the condition of base. But in the condition of acid, formation of carboxylic acid and alcohol. But here in the condition of base, formation of carboxylate ion. What is that? Formation of carboxylate ion. So that is we are different between the acidic condition and base condition. In the acidic condition, there more number of H plus will be there. That's why that CH3CO minus that definitely become to the CH3COOH. But here in the hydroxide groups, base condition now OH minuses are more there, excess number of there. So that's why here formation of carboxylate ion, but that carboxylate ion does not form the carboxylic acid in the base condition. Now in that we get the alcohol only. So we get two molecules, one is a carboxylate ion and one is the alcohol. Now look at, I write the mechanism, how it is get. Right, now see here, CH3, C double bond O, OCH3. In the condition of hydroxide, means that is a base condition, it's getting the positive. Now here, this bond coming to the, the negative of hydroxide bonding in the positive of the carbon. Okay, right, see here, CH3, C, O minus, that is O, CH3, this is the next one, what is that? OH. Here is the OH, this is the minus. Now next step, this electron shifting to the inside, this next one, these bond electrons between the carbon and oxygen bond electron shifting to the oxygen side. Remain what will we get here? CH3, C double bond O, OH and with CH3, O minus. But here is a methyl oxide, methyl ionic oxide is formation there, negative is there. Now carboxylic acid forming now. This carboxylic acid, the nature is the giving of produce of H plus ions. But here is not there of an H plus ion. Here is the excess amount of excess. Okay, excess amount of hydroxide means base is there. So there in that solution, in the test tube, hydroxides are more there. That's why H plus ions not easily H plus ions are not available in the test tube. That's why there is not bonding with the oxygen with the H plus ion. Now this carboxylic acid give the H plus ion to that one. So here I am write the hydrogen separately. This bond electron shifting to the oxygen side. Now CH3, C double bond O minus. Now carboxylic nature is the acidic nature. So that's why they release the H plus ion. That H plus ion bonding with the CH3 O minus, CH3O minus, forming alcohol. This is the CH3 alcohol. So finally we get here alcohols. This is the carboxylate ion. So in the base excess amount of base excess amount which are there here, hydroxides are excess amount there. So that's why there is no available of H plus ions. That's why that not converted to the alcohol. Okay, clear? Right now this is the basic hydrolysis of ester. So when go to the basic hydrolysis in the condition of base, the esters involved in the hydrolysis, the forming of alcohol, and next one carboxylate ion. So this is the topic of today. Clear? Understood? Right. It's visible. Okay, clear.
Yes.
Next, hydrolysis of amide, dehydration of amide. So what there? Look at here, amide. I'm take the CH3, C double bond O, NH2. This is the acetamide. Acetamide. So when the acetamide on hydrolysis, we know already in that hydrolysis, there hydroxides and H pluses. When you are adding of water molecule, now it is formation of, look at here, CH3 C double bond O OH carboxylic acid and remove NH3. Finally, what will be getting here? Carboxylic acid and ammonia. Here carboxylic acid and ammonia. This is positive from that H plus bonding with the nitrogen, hydroxide bonding with the carbon. So this is the hydrolysis of amide. Next one, I go for the dehydration. Dehydration means we know that in the presence of P2O5, removal of oxygen. Yes or no? Dehydration means remove, what we remove? Water molecule and hydrogens. So when you go for, when you take the phosphorus pentoxide, this is a reagent of dehydration, means removal of water molecule, hydrogen and oxygen bonding, that water molecule is eliminated. Now finally here is the oxygen, here is the hydrogen. Finally we get nitriles, that is the cyanide, remove water molecule. Dehydration means remove water molecule. So this is the topic of amide dehydration, and first one is the amide hydrolysis. When hydrolysis of amide to give carboxylic acid, write down. When amides are hydrolysis to give carboxylic acid, right. Next one, when amides are dehydration in the presence of phosphorus pentoxide, when the amides are dehydration in the presence of phosphorus pentoxide, now we get the cyanides, that nitriles, methyl cyanide, that name is the methyl cyanide. So methyl cyanide. So this is the topic of today. Carboxylic acids of derivatives completed. Now write down. Now it's visible. Okay.